Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 2003 H2 Hummer that I don't know if you can tell right here. The problem is the dent has this large door dent and this bent inside and some little small door dings here, so that's what's going to be replaced. I'm going to be blending the paint towards the rest of the door and re-clearing the whole door. That's this part right here, and let me show you the other part that I need to fix also. Also right here in the back there's this big scratch that is going to be have to be fixed. So all this portion on top is going to have to be resprayed. This area, blend the paint. This area, blend the paint. I'm going to try to cut it off, and this style line right here, I'm going to use a fine line tape so that I can cut off the paint, the clear right in this line right here, so I don't have a real bad edge line. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. Stay with me, and here's another one. Alright guys, again, in order to find the dents, like I told you several times, is look to the side, get yourself a Sharpie and start marking them. And that's it, guys. That's it for this area. So let me continue. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my dolly and hammer, start tapping it and try to get it out. Alright guys, the dent is out. I still have a lot of wavy stuff here, but I'm gonna have to grind all this so that I can start putting some body filler on all of these. So let me start doing that and get it ready. Alright guys, this dent right here, it's a little too deep, so I'm gonna try to see if I can pull it out with the dent puller, because I don't want to add a lot of body filler to it. I just want a real light coat of body filler and go from there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can pull this one out. So first I need to grind it. And get the dent puller. Alright guys, I'm gonna use a stud welder so that I can put a peg in there and start pulling. That's it. Let me start pulling. Alright guys, the pin is there. Let me start pulling it. It's gonna go slow. It's getting a It's getting there. All right. Let me get the pliers so I can cut this, start grinding it, and get ready for the filler. Alright guys, I'm going to tape up this area. I don't want any of the body filler going inside. I don't need any of the body filler inside, so I'm just going to tape it up just for assurance. All right, let me close it up and get the other one. All right guys, before adding any of the polyester putty, I've been saying body filler, but before adding polyester putty, I'm going to clean it up with some acetone just on the area that I'm going to be adding that. So it'll be nice and clean and it'll stick real good to it. So let me do that and I'll get back. All right guys, the area is nice and clean. You see that it's a little different color, meaning that everything that was, all the residue that was there got picked up. So let me start mixing the polyester putty. This is what I'm going to be using, and go from there. Alright guys, I'm going to start sanding with 220 to smooth it out, and if I need some more polyester filler or putty, I'll add some more. Alright guys, after block sanding all this area, it's ready. This dent is ready. So now I gotta do is this one. But on this, I'm gonna be adding some red putty just to cover up all the minor little scratches and stuff, pinholes. So let me do that and start on this one. Alright guys, the red putty has been added. I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 or 2 days just for it to really get in there. And after that, I'll come back, sand it down, and start adding some 2K primer. So let me start on this one and I'll come back. Alright guys, I got caught up in the work here, so I missed a couple of steps that I didn't record. But all I did was scuff down that red putty that was there, added some primer, block sanded the primer, and got everything ready, nice and smooth, nice and straight. And then I got myself some 800 grit sandpaper, started scuffing everything up, all the black that I'm gonna start shooting to clear. I scuffed it up. Here I put a fine line tape so I didn't scuff up the bottom. So I'm gonna put the fine line tape again and start masking it from there. But everything's done, everything's scuffed down. You can tell, you can see right there, everything's ready. I'm gonna have to put some etching primer there real quick and cover it up. I'm gonna start covering it up, and that's where we're at right now. So right now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna start covering it up, I'm gonna start masking it, and I'll come back as soon as everything's done. Alright guys, what I did in order not to get a real sharp edge here when I take off the tape, I use this 233 plus tape first to make a straight line where the cutoff is going to be at. After that, I just put regular masking tape, automotive tape on the bottom. So that'll give me a real nice edge when I peel that off. So let me continue. Alright guys, the Hummer has been masked. Everything is ready. What I need to do now is going to start wiping it down with the wax and grease remover. And then I'm going to use a tack rag just to get everything that the wax and grease remover didn't get. Start wiping it down and then getting ready for base. So let me start doing that and let's go. Alright guys, this is after a couple of hours drying. You can see everything's nice, shiny, straight. I already took off this tape right here that I use to get the straight line. You can tell, you can see, came out nice. Can't even tell where the new clear coat had started and where the other clear coat ended. So this is it guys. Let it dry. I'll bring it back. I'll bring you guys back when I have it outside so you can have the full view of the vehicle. But the spraying process is done, and let's see it in the outside. Alright guys, there it is out in the sun. Came out nice, looking good. So that's it guys, this is it for this video. Guys, like the video, share the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and there's more to come guys. Alright, thanks.